Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. Myself Ashwin, and in this video we are going to see what is scheduled script. Scheduled script is a suite script provided by NetSuite, and we use this to log basic information in a recurring schedule or to schedule future executions. Or we can say that suppose I have created a saved search and I want to make changes in that filter. So we can do this also. Let me show you with an example first. Now see here, this is the record. We all know that sales order form, it is our record. Now, these are 4 records that I have in this record: David, Jonathan, and Johnson. And I have created here a saved search. ID is custom search, saved search, sales order form. And inside this, I have filtered the data based on sales rep. That means I want to show only the record that where the sales rep is David, right? Now, with the help of scheduled script, I will make change in the record, right? So let's see how it happens. This is the general format of scheduled script. Scheduled script general format: search, record, email, runtime, all these things. Now main thing happens here. First of all, we will deploy this script. Let me open this to the scripts, new script. Here I will write down scheduled script sales.js. Now here I will select the file scheduled script demo and then save. Yes. Now I will create a script record. Here name. Okay. I will save it. Then I will go to the parameter, new parameter. Schedule script. Then I will save it. I will refresh it. First of all, again, we have to go for script here. Schedule script sales. Now it has been created. I will go to view. Now I will deploy the script. And here I will go to parameter. Now see here. Here we have to write down the saved search ID. Control C, saved search ID. Right? And here we have to copy this and note down somewhere else. Control C. And let's take an example of Notepad. Copy this here, right? Now I have to save this. Yes, it is saved. Now I will go here. Okay. Now I will edit this. Now see, whatever we have copied here, let me show you once again. Whatever we have copied, this is the saved search ID, right? So we have to write down here saved search ID. Right? This is the type is custom record sales order form. Object custom record sales rep. Custom record sales rep means, let me show you this. Custom record sales rep means here. This custom record sales rep. This is the ID, right? So now we have to change the set value where the custom record sales rep is. You have to change it to David Clark in sales saved search only, right? So now what I'm going to see going to note down here. Let me remove this, right? Okay, now I am going to save this. Refresh. Then just a second, come here. Yes. Refresh. Schedule script sales and then edit. Then we will click here, save and execute. Record has not changed. Okay. Now see here, it is pending and we will refresh it. Yes, it is completed. Now I will click here. See the execution log. Result ID, it is done. Now let's see the saved search. Here you have seen the David. Now I will change it. I will refresh it. David Clark. Look at this. So in this way, suppose the main target of scheduled script is that to run after a certain time period, and if you want to run that scheduled script on a certain filtered data, for example, take an example of saved search. So in that case, we can apply this saved scheduled script to this saved search. Now all the whatever we have the record, the name has been changed sales rep David to David Clark. So this is how the saved search, scheduled script is used. So guys, I hope this is a one of the most important videos in the scheduled script, and please practice this scheduled script. And if you have any doubt regarding execution of scheduled script, you can write down in the comment, and then I will try to resolve your doubts. Till then, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you, and in next video we will see some more utilities of NetSuite. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.